Assalamu alaikum dear students, hope so you all are fine. Welcome to the playgroup class. Today our topic is match the first letter sound of each picture. In this lecture we will match the letters with the relevant pictures. First of all of you take your pencil and complete this task with me. Let's start. The first letter is A. This is a lowercase letter A, sounds like A. Let's see which thing begins with the letter A. A, ant. A, ant. Now we will match the letter A with ant. The second letter is B. This is a lowercase letter B, sounds like B. Let's see which thing begins with the letter B. B, butterfly. B, butterfly. Now we will match the letter B with butterfly. The third letter is C. This is a lowercase letter C, sounds like K. Let's see which thing begins with the letter C. K, cake. K, cake. Now we will match the letter C with cake. This is a lowercase letter D, sounds like D. Okay students, let's see which thing begins with the letter D. D, dog. D, dog. Now we will match the letter D with dog. This is a lowercase letter E, sounds like A. Let's see which thing begins with the letter E. A, egg. A, egg. Now we will match the letter E with egg.